Respected Brother Principal, Reverend Brother Albert Abraham, Brother Binu, the Vice Principal, Reverend Brother Thampi, the Principal of Montfort School, Delhi, Reverend Brother Monichin, and other brothers of the province who are present, parents and students who are joining us online, and other members of the staff. A hearty welcome to this virtual Independence Day celebration of Montfort School, Roorkee. We are very glad to welcome you here. Without further ado, let us move on to the most important event of the day, that is hoisting of the national flag with pride in our hearts and a song on our lips. May I invite our Reverend Brother Principal, Brother Albert Abraham, accompanied by Vice Principal Reverend Brother Binu and Brother Thampi Alex, to hoist the national flag.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हिंद भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
I request the dignitaries to take their seats on the stage. The flag is a symbol. The Indian flag is an icon, and a powerful one at that. Millions have died to give us this right to hoist this flag with pride in our motherland. Let us remember the sacrifice of those millions of people, freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives in order to give us this freedom this day. The flag sends different messages to different people. It has significance to people in different ways. I'm sure no words can describe the joy those soldiers experienced when they planted the flag on Kargil Hill after victory. I'm sure no words can explain the joy an Indian feels when in a distant land and he sees the flag of India flying high. The amount of pride that dwells in our hearts is incomparable. Let us hope that this flag continues to keep us united as a nation. 15th August, Independence Day celebrations is something which is looked forward to by our students every year. On a normal day, our quadrangle would have been filled with thousands of students, all decked in the tricolor and with a lot of movement and noise, bringing a lot of energy and life to the occasion. Unfortunately, the COVID-19 has prevented us from celebrating it in that way. But then, the spirit of the flag, the saffron color on the flag suggests that Indians are known for courage and strength. So without going back, having faced these difficulties, our students have come together for the last few days to put together a few wonderful patriotic songs to arouse the spirit of patriotism and love for our country. Let us now take a look at this beautiful compilation of patriotic songs by our students.
गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरे दोस्तों मेरी दिलरुबा मेरी माँ को मेरा पैगाम दे उसे जाके मेरा पैगाम दे हो जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का माय तेरी चुनरिया लहराई
ये तेरी ज़मीं दिल खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है राजे तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं तेरे हीरे तो धरती है राजे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है
हर कदम वतन मेरे नाज है तेरा हर कदम वतन मेरे नाज है तेरा आज़ाद मैं हूँ और वतन आज़ाद है मेरा आज़ाद मैं हूँ और वतन आज़ाद है मेरा वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
I'm sure these timeless songs have aroused goosebumps of pride in each one of us. Thank you to the music teachers and the students who worked hard in the past few days to bring this program together. It was a wonderfully put together song. Every year, as part of the Independence Day celebrations, we organize a number of competitions to arouse the spirit of patriotism and love for our country. This year too, we had conducted a number of competitions in different categories. Students were divided into different categories on their based on their age, and many students, hundreds of them, participated with vigor and enthusiasm in those competitions. They range from poster making and dance and singing to many. So we had promised that we would announce the names of the winners in this program. So here we have the names of the winners we here presented before you. hearty congratulations to these students who have competed with the spirit of competition and vigor, and they have done excellently well. Hearty congratulations on behalf of the school management and the teachers and the students to all these students, and also to those parents who have taken a very important role in preparing these children to participate in this competition. So hearty congratulations to each one of them. Every year, we have a practice of organizing the school cabinet. The school cabinet consists of student leaders who essentially act as a second line of command. When the school is in session, their role in looking after the discipline of the school is incomparable. This year, due to the COVID situation, we couldn't elect the full cabinet, but we have zeroed in on those candidates who have proved themselves exceptionally well in discipline, in academics, and various other fields. So these children have proved themselves to be exemplary in every manner possible. So here we present before you the cabinet of Montfort School for the session 2020-21. Congratulations to these students who have been chosen as the leaders of the student community. Whenever the school reopens and even during online classes, I'm sure they will carry out their responsibilities with a sense of responsibility and seriousness. Congratulations once again to them. We realize the importance of freedom only when it is curtailed. Some of us at least, may have realized this during the period of the initial lockdown in the beginning of the COVID situation in March and April. When we were confined to our homes, we would have realized the importance of being able to go out into the open, to do things that we love. And this should also make us realize that this freedom that we enjoy today has come at a cost of thousands of people's lives. So we need to respect that freedom and treat it with responsibility. During this difficult time of COVID and our country having lakhs of cases currently, there were a group of people who have put aside their freedom to stay at home and be safe, but then they chose to forgo that freedom to come to the help of those people who are suffering, who have been affected by COVID. And these are those doctors and nurses and other members of the medical fraternity. They have put their life on the line to give us this freedom so that we have the freedom to go about the life that we always lived. If it was not for these members of the medical fraternity, we would have been cooped up in our homes, fearing for our lives. But we know that these angels, they are caring for us. They are ready to take care of us if we fall sick. So here is a dance tribute to the medical fraternity who have been taking care of our fellow Indians, putting their life on the line.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तो, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तो। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो। वतन वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तो, आबाद रहे तो। वतन
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए, जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से, जाने वतन सा चांद बुझे, हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे। मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया, वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया। बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है, हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ, सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सुना था डॉक्टर्स भगवान का रूप होते हैं, पर आज ऐसा लगता है कि कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने की इस चुनौती की घड़ियों में भगवान ने ही डॉक्टर्स का रूप ले लिया है।
A big thank you once again to these frontline workers who have spent everything that they have, their knowledge, their life, to protect us. While being respectful of the contributions of these medical fraternity, let us not forget those frontline workers, which include police personnel, people who work in the municipalities, in the cleaning industry, and many other people who have kept their shops and other institutions functioning so that we can continue with our normal life. Let us also not forget those teachers who have spent considerable amount of time and effort exploring new ways to ensure that our children do not lose out on education. And so a big salute to those teachers also across the country, our fellow teachers who have worked hard to see that the education is unstoppable. Now, I would like to request our dynamic principal, Brother Albert Abraham, to come forward and address the gathering.
Dear Brother Monachan, Vice Provincial of the Province of Delhi, Brother Thambi Alex, Convener of Education Commission of the Province of Delhi, Brother Gino Abraham, Executive Member of Peace and Justice Commission, Province of Delhi, Brother Binu Cherian, the Vice Principal, Headmistress, Sister Sandana, Mr. Deepu Thomas, the Coordinator, Mrs. Lissy, members of the staff, parents, well-wishers, and my dear students. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Before I proceed with my Independence Day message, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Brother Binu Cherian, the Vice Principal, the Headmistress, coordinators, and the members of the staff for making this online Independence Day celebration possible. I appreciate and thank the students who participated in different competitions organized as part of the celebration of the Independence Day. I also specially congratulate and thank the music teachers, the dance teachers, and the children who have participated and did their best. I am sure all of you have enjoyed watching their dedicated performance. Congratulations to all of them. And we take this opportunity to congratulate the newly elected cabinet, the members under the leadership of Arsh, Abel Kumar, and Vibhuti Saini of class 12th A. We have Rupayan Ghosh of class 5A and Ravneet Kaur of class 5B to lead the primary section. Karthik Chauhan and Shayan Kathuria of UKGC to lead the KG section. Wish you all the very best, dear children. God bless you, dear children. 74 years ago, our nation reclaimed its independence from the slavery of British rule. On this auspicious occasion of the celebration of Independence Day, let us bow our heads before the memories of the great visionary leaders who made it possible to form a great nation out of tens of scattered little kingdoms from different cultural and linguistic backgrounds. And the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life and fortunes to make this celebration possible for us even today. Today, we have a country with its citizens different from each other in many aspects, but united by the fact that we all are the citizens of one country, India, a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic which respects equally the linguistic, cultural, religious, and ethnic background of its every citizen. It is this faith we all have keep us united and make us feel proud to be called Indians. And it is the responsibility of each one of us to keep this faith of every citizen of our great nation intact. We are still a developing nation, and we need to be more united as we march towards the status of a developed nation. Let us all make sure that we keep the trust of the people from every part of the country that India respect the differences. To respect the differences, one needs to have the inner freedom, the real freedom. Each one needs to be an embodiment of inner freedom, not to be a dwelling place of any superiority or inferiority complexes, which lead to hatred, jealous, and all sort of ill feelings against people and communities, etc. Being the largest multicultural nation in the world, we need to have this inner freedom to embrace the differences more than any other country in the world. Let us all look into ourselves and see where we stand and plan our formation or reformation to make each of us a pillar of strength to keep our nation united and grow. My dear children, you are the leaders of tomorrow. You are the ones to keep our nation united and grow. You are the lawmakers, policy makers, and the judges of tomorrow. Future of the nation is going to be in your hands. What do you think, what do you believe, and what do you do today will influence your deeds tomorrow. Make sure that you keep your minds away from any influences of polarization, extremism, and other unethical practices which makes us no more human beings. Develop the inner freedom to say no to such influences and become powerful citizens and the nation builders of our country. Let us make a clean India, a nation of clean hearts. Us, we in Montfort, aim to make you the sculptors of a better world to live in. Let us join our hands together to make this dream possible. Let us make our school a breeding ground for the people with free minds and matured hearts. Dear children, let us practice our ethics during the online classes and examinations. Online classes these days, where the teachers cannot verify your actual presence, and the online exams are the opportunities for you to check your inner freedom, to say no to the unethical inner urges and take the opportunity and take the appropriate measures to grow in freedom, dignity, and maturity. Once again, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. On this occasion, let us reaffirm our commitment to unity in diversity, fraternity, and equality among our citizens. Jai Hind. May God bless our nation. Thank you.
Thank you, Reverend Brother Albert, our principal, for those inspiring words. I hope our students have listened to those words with attention and would put that into practice. So we would like to thank you all for joining us today virtually and making this possible. Let us go out today with freedom in mind, faith in words, and pride in our hearts. Let us go forth to fight this war that we are waging as a nation against COVID and every enemy that comes up against our nation. Let us fight, continue to keep up that fight for freedom, be it from sickness, be it from barriers that divide us as a nation, be it from lack of cleanliness and any other challenges that are facing us as a nation. The fight must go on. And even though COVID may have set us back, let us keep faith in the ideals that the green color of the flag represents, that of fertility, auspiciousness, and growth. That even if COVID has set us back, this great nation will surge back again, stronger than ever. And every one of you students are going to be a part of this exercise of rebuilding our nation. So let us continue to keep faith in our nation and continue to do the good work that we have been doing. Even though our brother principal expressed his words of thanks, I would like to once again thank all those people involved in this program so that they ensured that the program went on well. Our coordinators, Mrs. Lissy and Sister Santana, the music and dance teacher, the sports teachers who came over, and all those children who participated in the event, and above all, the tech team who've been spending sleepless nights making sure that this program went on well. A big thank you to all of them. Jai Hind.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।